Meta is building an AI Mark Zuckerberg, and I have a theory on just how they might use it. AI Zuck will be built to look and sound just like the real one. It's made by the Super Intelligence Labs team at Meta. They'll be teaching it his voice, his face, how he talks, how he thinks. Meta says it's for all 79,000 of its workers. So now anyone will be able to talk to the fake Mark, ask him a question, and get a fake Mark answer. Meta says it's all about staying in touch. Sure. My cynical view here is that the AI Mark Zuckerberg will be used to lay off Meta workers being replaced by AI. A fake Mark can say you're fired to 1,000 people at the same time. Far more efficient, and we know how much he loves efficiency. And the good news from Meta, they already have a lot of practice on what firing people looks like. Next, well, we have some good news and bad news from the makers of Claude, and there's a new study on what cyber criminals actually think about AI, and I think the answers are definitely going to surprise you. All right, good news first. Anthropic just shipped a bigger, better version of the Claude Code app. So now you can run more than one job at a time, you can drag things around on the screen, and there's this new thing called routines. Routines let you set up a task one at a time and then have Claude run it on its own every morning. You don't have to be there. Claude just goes and does the job for you. This is a pretty big deal because it means Anthropic is just not selling chatbots to consumers anymore. They're selling a whole service, one that runs on your computer, on your schedule, while you go about your day. It's pretty cool. Now, the bad news. Anthropic just changed how they charge, and that could triple costs for certain customers. And I'm pretty sure I know why. The old way bundled everything together, and this is for enterprise clients. Companies paid one flat fee per month per each worker. Their people could use Claude as much as they wanted, or almost as much as they wanted. Done. It was simple. The new way has two parts. One, there's a flat fee per worker. Two, every single time someone uses Claude, the company pays more money based on how much work the AI had to do. It kind of feels like you're hiring a lawyer now and they're billing you by the minute. Not sure how well that's going to go over. Every bit gets billed on top and it just keeps on adding up. So why is Anthropic doing this now? Well, this was going to happen anyway. It was only a matter of time. Internal papers say the company is going to lose $14 billion just this year. Also, Anthropic wants to go public soon. Reports are saying that they want to do this as early as October, about 6 months from now, and here is the catch. You cannot go public if your company is losing billions of dollars every year with no plan to stop the bleeding. This isn't the dot-com boom, is it? So Anthropic is changing prices now, well before they have to show their books to the world. Angry customers will complain today, but by October, this will be old news. Smart timing, Anthropic. But as the costs become more and more expensive, look for people in enterprises to shift some of this use over to the cheaper models based in China. So what do the bad guys actually think of AI? Well, it's surprising. The story you keep hearing is that hackers and criminals on the internet are using AI to cause all kinds of trouble. A new study that looked at hackers and how they actually talk to each other tells a different story. The researchers of the paper read more than 160 chats from over 170 different hacker websites. They read almost 700,000 posts over 7 months. And what they found is that hackers are not really using AI all that much. Most of the time, they're just curious about it. In almost 18% of the chats, hackers complained that the AI was making a lot of mistakes and that the code it writes is buggy. They also said it was flooding their forums with junk. Those scary hacker products you read about in the news, Worm GPT, Fraud GPT, the hackers themselves say those are fake. Just a regular chat GPT with a new label slapped on it. But here's the interesting thing. The same reason your company is slow to use AI is the same reason criminals are slow to use it as well. Nobody trusts it quite yet. Not you, not your boss, not even the bad guys, not even the hackers. The real danger is not going to come from Worm GPT. It's going to come when someone figures out how to run the current state-of-the-art models on their own laptop hidden from the police where no one can watch. Probably it's going to be one of those free Chinese AI models. Well, before we go, today the AI word of the day is prompt injection. When you ask an AI to read something, like an email, a hacker can hide secret instructions inside of it. The AI reads those hidden instructions and does what the hacker said. Remember those cyber criminals we just talked about? This is one of the tricks that they're actually excited about. Well, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you spending some of your day with me. And here's a schedule going forward. I'm doing 4 short updates a week, Monday through Thursday. And on Sunday morning, I'm doing a longer deep dive. This Sunday, we're going to be talking about the Beatles of AI. If this was useful, please hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. And you hit that like button as well. I'm Jim Caralis. I will see you tomorrow.